Good morning and welcome back to All Good on the Road. Every week I see the same question. Can I check in early? And the misinformation is crazy when a lot of people start to answer that because they don't want you to check in early. They want you to stay in your lane and get there when you're told to get there. At the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how every single time on a Carnival cruise with no status at all, you can check in early. But let's start at the beginning. Let's talk about, because you need to understand this very clearly, the difference between check-in time and boarding time. Check-in time is when you get to go into the terminal and have a seat and wait to board the ship. Boarding never starts before 11 a.m. And boarding can start a lot later than 11 a.m. Sometimes, if there's problems getting other people off the ship, it could take longer, but 90% of the time, or even more than that lately, boarding's going to be rolling by 11 a.m. and you're still, no matter when you checked in, going to have to wait for the people who are priority in front of you. If you're not Faster to the Fun, Platinum, Diamond, they all get to board first. So understand that we're talking about getting into the building so you can sit and wait. Now, if you want to go right to the ship, you need to wait until 11 o'clock. After 11 o'clock, you need to check in. So here's how check-in is set up on a Carnival cruise. First, 14 days out. I'm not going to talk about the 16 days out because if you're Platinum, Diamond, you know about this already. 14 days out at midnight, you're going to get to check in and you're going to pick a time. You're going to come to the terminal. Of course, a lot of people want to pick as early as possible, but those might be taken. You might get 1 o'clock. When you arrive at the terminal, there are going to be 5 or 6 lines set up. One's going to say priority. The rest are going to have times. You're supposed to get into your time and wait to board the ship. Okay, here's how it goes down. It's 9:02. We are not the first people in line. We have priority, but if you didn't, you'd get in one of these lines. If you're Platinum, Diamond, or Faster to the Fun, you go to the priority line. They take you right in to check in as soon as it opens. Now it opens at 9:30, and we'll talk more about that later, because the ship doesn't start boarding until 11. Question I saw last week: can I show up later than my check-in time or earlier than my check-in time if I'm Faster to the Fun, Platinum, or Diamond? Absolutely. Faster to the Fun, Platinum, and Diamond can enter the priority line any time of the day. Let me repeat that. Faster to the Fun, Platinum, Diamond do not have to adhere to their check-in time. They may show up any time of the day and check in.
He ain't lying.
Now, don't be too late. An hour before the ship sails, they cut it off and you can't get in. But you can show up whenever you feel like. And I see misinformation about that all the time, that you'll have to get into the early late line or something like that. You do not. If you are one of those 3 groups, you get to board, you get to check in the priority line whenever you like. Now, Carnival's been sending out letters lately that says no Platinum, Diamond, and Faster to the Fun check-in on this cruise. If you get one of those, all bets are off. You've got to show up during your time. And if you got that letter, absolutely, you just got to be there during your time. There's no other way around it. I haven't had to deal with that yet, but yeah, if you do, you can't get there outside of your timeline. They're going to make you wait. Well, let's back that up too. You can get there outside of your timeline. You're just going to have to wait a little while longer. They're going to put you in the early late line and they're going to feed out of that slowly. It's basically a punishment line. So you want to stick to your time if you don't have one of those or you don't use this trick I'm about to tell you. Here's the trick I was talking about earlier. You arrive at the terminal prior to 9:30 a.m. You get in your line. I don't care if it's 2 o'clock, you get in the 2 o'clock line. At 9:30, when they start check-in, they're going to empty the priority line. If there's anybody in those other lines before you, after they empty the priority line, they're going to empty those lines. And then they're going to empty your line. I've seen it happen every single Carnival cruise I've been on. If you show up before 9:30, you get in your line, you're going to be in that terminal before 10 a.m. Now remember, that doesn't mean you're going to board the ship early. You're going to sit in a chair and you're going to wait for all the people in front of you to board. But you're going to board earlier than you would if you had a 1 p.m., 2 p.m. check-in time. You're going to be on the ship by 11:30. That's the trick. Get in that line before 9:30 and simply wait. Could it go poorly for you? Yeah, you could have to sit there until 1 o'clock, but I've never seen them do that to anyone. When they empty those lines out, they want to go ahead and get check-in started. They want to get it rolling along. Once the priority and the lines in front of you empty, they're going to send you into the terminal. That's the trick for boarding early with no status. A lot of people know about it because you'll see them there with you. A lot of people show up and use this trick every cruise. I use this trick every cruise before I became platinum. And I'm telling you, it works every time. I've never had to wait in that line to my check-in time. A lot of people don't want you to know this. A lot of people are going to hate that I told you this. But it works. And it works every time.
60% of the time, it works every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Thanks for watching. See you on the ship.